Hi, I'm Shannon, and you have found the Great American Stampin' Show, Season 4, Episode 2. In Season 4, we are featuring our favorite colors. So, Episode 1 was Petunia Pop, my favorite color. So you can find that in my playlist. Go check that out. It was really fun to do that color. I love it. It's amazing. But today, we are featuring Jody's favorite color, which is... now I can't remember the name. Summer Splash. Beautiful, bright, happy summer color. So watch our videos, vote for the one that you like best. And thanks so much for watching. Thanks for being here. Oh, congrats to Jody who won last week. So that's it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and enjoy. The main color is Summer Splash. So I've got my card base here, Summer Splash, and then you can see the other colors that I've selected to be part of my color scheme today. So another piece of Summer Splash, basic white, Night of Navy, lemon lime twist, and a little bit of crumb cake. This is going to be a very collage-y type card. And a lot of layers. So what am I going to be using with this? Well, I'm going to be using the Fancy Borders bundle. So there's the stamp set and the dies that go along with this. Oh, I think these dies are so unique and can really make like beautiful scallopy cards. I'm actually just going to be using this heart die right here, but use it in a couple different ways. And then I'm also going to use this die, which is called the Pattern of Friendship die. It is one big old die. So that's that. And then I've got a bunch of stamp sets, or sorry, a bunch of stamps that I'm going to use and put it all together. All right, let's take inventory of all these pieces. I originally stamped this, but then decided to change my mind and instead Sent with Love will be the greeting on this card, and I've just fussy cut that out. Here's my lemon lime twist with this awesome die, and I'm just going to trim that off so that those extra little pieces there aren't showing. It just looks like it starts with the dots. Cute. And then I also punched a couple of these out with the same die, the leftover pieces there. So that's pretty cool. I love that when a die works both ways. Here is my stamped card, and I just realized I stamped it upside down. Well, that's just like me. I'm going to go ahead and finish it up, and then when I'm done, I'll improvise somehow. But I've got my basic white piece here, and I'm going to stick that down first. And so with a card like this where you're just layering, I love to just kind of let the pieces fall where they may and not try to overthink it or worry about it too much. So there we go. That's good for that one. Now here's the piece that I stuck to this die. Oh my goodness, where are my snips? Got to pry that off. There we go. Okay, now this die is really interesting. It's not really see-through, a little bit maybe, but it is just creating a really awesome pattern. And I want to take it one step further. Let's see, do I have a water spritzer around here? I forgot to grab a water spritzer. See if there's water in any of my, ooh, what's this? I think this is a shimmer spritzer from with my Wink of Stella. That'll do. So I'm just going to spray this and then crunch it up. Just spraying it beforehand helps the cardstock be a little bit more pliable. Otherwise, it takes ages to do that and sometimes stabs my hand. I mean, it doesn't make it bloody or anything, but, you know, it kind of hurts a little bit. That was alcohol, I think, so it should dry pretty fast. Oh, wow. What are all these little pieces that I got in there? No, that's fine. Oh, those were the little teeny dots coming out from this. So I'm going to put that down like that as soon as that's finished. And then just layer these pieces up. So I've got this piece. That'll go about like this. In fact, maybe I'll just do this here. And then we can just stick one big piece over onto that once it's dry. Okay, so this is Misty, Moonlight, and Night of Navy. So slightly different colors. And this is going to go down first like this. And then I'm going to put this one over the top. So it's kind of like loosely behind it to show through, but a little bit offset. Let's do those two steps. A little bit of glue there. Let's see how we kind of angle this. And then this one. This one is interesting because I'm not even sure where it's going to touch this, but we'll just kind of make it work. Got a little extra glue there. Okay, that's fun. So then you can kind of see, kind of offset a little bit. There we go. How did I do on the glue? Not too bad. That's great. Next layer. Then I've got, oh, where did my little crumb cake piece go? Oh no, did I throw it away? Okay, hold please. All right, I found it. It was indeed in the garbage, so it's been recovered. And now it's ready to go. Meanwhile, this is dry now and ready to be stuck down. Because it's wrinkled and has a lot of texture to it, I didn't want to use the liquid glue. I want it to kind of maintain the texture. And in fact, I like to roll the corners up even more. I don't know. It's like you got to just stop at some point because you could do this type of stuff all day. Okay, so I'll just kind of set that off a little bit. Now back to this piece as we're continuing to build this higher and higher. Isn't this looking cute? All of these fun layers. Let's see, there's actually going to be lots of dimensional layers on this. So you can leave those out if you don't like doing that. Totally understood. Sometimes it's just worth the extra postage, you know? Okay, so that piece is going to be right there. Adorable little crumb cake accent. This one down here can go, let's see. Before I stick this down though, I'm going to stop for a minute and do a little bit of linen thread. Got to bring that in, and so better do that. Oh, I already stuck that piece down. Oh my goodness. That's okay. We'll just make it work. So I wanted to wrap it around the Misty Moonlight piece. And I think it will still work because it has those points. But it'll just be a little bit different. Okay, so I'll get this tied up. And then, let's see, we've got our greeting. And of course, we've got to have some gems. because if you're doing a layered card with lots of different layers, it's so fun. Okay, so Great American Stampin' Show, as always, we vote on, you vote on the winner. You vote on your favorite, and then that person becomes the winner for the week. You have until Sunday, so go take a look at my friends' 3 videos. Their links are in the description of my video. And then decide which one you like best. I hope it's mine. But you know what? There are so many different styles out there. So vote to your heart's content. How about that? Oh, look at that. So fun. So many layers. Okay, let's see. Oh, I've got one of these. This needs to go on here. Let's see. I was thinking down there, but you know what? It needs a little itty bitty dimensional. So I'm just going to cut that piece right there and stick it down. This tiny little, actually my dimensional is bigger than the heart. So I guess I got to trim that off. There we go. Cute right there. And then last step, my maybe all-time favorite gems, the Iridescent Faceted Gems. I think the thing I love most about these is the way they catch the light, and all different kinds of light. They just sparkle so amazingly and really add to the card. So let's see. Just need a few more. I mean, actually could keep going and adding more and more and more because these are amazing. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's pretty good. Maybe a couple more. How about some closer in here? And that is it. This is my entry for Great American Stampin' Show Season 4, Episode 2, where we feature Jody's favorite color, Summer Splash. Okay, so we've done 2 colors so far, Petunia Pop, which was my favorite, and now Summer Splash. Both of those are in colors. Oh my goodness, we only have them for 1 more year. Very sad. Better use them every day for the next year. Okay, if you like it, thumbs up, and check out the description of my video for all the details on what I use to make this card if you want to copy it or some form. And that's it. Just thank you so much for watching, for spending a little bit of your precious time with me today to see this little piled on layered creation. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.